Welcome back to my channel Taj Online Classes. Let me explain you how to calculate median for discrete series. So as you already know that when we are calculating discrete series, they give x, that is observation, and also they give the frequency, right? So if you observe this question number 1 in your question bank, which I have provided you in the classroom, and also I have provided the link to download the question bank in the description. If you're from some other college, then you can download the question bank, take a print, solve the problem which is there in the question bank. That will help you practice more and more. So here x is given, f is given. When we are calculating median, you already know that it's important that first we need to put the median values. To calculate median, we need to put the x values in ascending order. Ascending or descending order, it depends on you, however you have learned. I usually teach the students only one thing because they should not have any kind of confusion. Okay, let's make it clear that ascending order. Okay, so let's put the x into ascending order. X, they have already put it into an ascending order. We don't need to take so much of stress. 10, after that 20, after that 30, after that 40 and 50. Ascending order means smallest to largest number. You can see 10 is smallest, after the 20, 30, 40, 50, right? This is smallest to largest number. Okay, x is given, f is given 2, 4, 6, 3, 5. But here when it comes to median, we are not calculating f into x, but we are calculating cumulative frequency, CF. CF means CF is equal to cumulative frequency. So now how do we write that cumulative frequency? Here we are not multiplying f into x, we will be writing only cumulative frequency, because the formula will remain the same as we were doing for individual series. The formula is n plus 1 divided by 2, that is median, is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. So here first n, capital N. What is capital N here? As you know, n here is the total of f, that is n is nothing but fx. Okay, n is nothing but fx. So 2 plus 4, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 3, 15 plus 5, 20. So here we have got n as 20 plus 1 is 21 divided by 2, that is 21 divided by 2 is 10.5. 10.5th item. 10.5th item is your median. But what is that 10.5th item? We cannot, can you see any 10 here in frequency? No, right? That's why it's important for us to find out the cumulative frequency. 2 here is 2, this 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, okay, 12 plus 3 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20. Here you are seeing this 20 and this 20 is same. That means that we have calculated the cumulative frequency properly. Now if you are observing 10.5, we can find somewhere here 10.5. 10.5th item, the greater than, okay, 12 here is 12, CF 12, CF 12, I underline this, CF 12 is greater than 10.5. Hence x corresponding to 12 is what? X corresponding to 12 is 30, and 30 is median here. 30 is median. You have to put a box across. 30 is median. Okay, so now first you will be solving this later you will be writing. Because I don't have sufficient place here, I have written this here up, but you will write it properly in your notebook, right? Yeah. Okay, so I will solve one more problem here. Question number 2. Let's take the question number 2 here. Or can we take any number which is not arranged properly? All the numbers are arranged properly here. If it is not arranged ascending to descending, then we have to arrange it properly. Okay. So let's take this fourth problem. Because it has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. No, you may be scared by just looking at the question, but there is nothing to be scared of this. Okay, solution x 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. F 2, 3, 5, 4, 6. Now cumulative frequency of this CF, what? First we need to write 2 here. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. Right? Here if you add up 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 4, 14 plus 6, 20. So we got n is 20. Okay. So now the formula says median is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. Right? N is 20 plus 1 divided by 2. You know that again it is 10.5th item. 10.5th item. 10.5 is not a medium. 10.5th item. So here in CF, after 10.5th is, which is the greatest number? 14. Right? So for that, corresponding value of x is 400. 400 is the median. We have to write that in CF, 14 is greater than 10.5, 10.5th item. The corresponding x of 14 is, corresponding x of 14 is how much? 400. Right? Hence median is 400. Median is 400. So I'll highlight this. Median is 400. So this is how we are calculating the median. When you are calculating the median, you should be very careful. Here there are no two formulas like odd number or even number when we were calculating for individual series. Only one formula, n plus 1 divided by 2, and we have to find out which is the item number and which is the largest CF and which is the corresponding x of. That will become a median. In the next video, I will help you solve the mode. Thank you.